Executive functioning includes, among other things, planning and organization. And planning and organization can be a real issue for students with autism spectrum disorder and nonverbal learning disability. This resource, Playing Smarter in a Digital World, a guide to choosing and using popular video games and apps to improve executive functioning in children and teens, made some specific recommendations for working with children with issues with executive functioning. And in particular, their chapter on planning and organization recommended an application called Evernote. I really like Evernote, and I'm a huge proponent for using Evernote. However, for the purposes of this assignment, I wanted to look into something different, a different application. So I looked into MyStudyLife.com. MyStudyLife.com is a web-based app that can also be downloaded onto iOS devices and Android devices, and it's especially designed for school. So it's very easy to set up schedules for the year, for different classes, to customize those, to add new exams so students can see when their exams are coming up. They can also set up tasks, and tasks are assigned to a subject with a due date, a title, and any details the student wants to add, and students can set those up as assignments, reminders, or revisions. The really neat thing about this, as far as that is concerned, is that the amount of completion is not binary. It's not done or not done, but rather students can put in how far along they are as far as percentage of completion of a given assignment. They can also look into the calendar view, and in the calendar view they can see all their classes on a given day, and they can see exams coming up on a given day. All of this can be tracked in this dashboard. In the dashboard we can see that our student has 2 classes today, that they have 4 tasks coming up in the next 4 days, and that they have 1 exam in the next week. So it's a very nice, clean look for being able to keep track of a lot of things. For students with issues with executive functioning, that can be a real boost. One real constraint of this application is that it does not push reminders to students through their phone, through the Reminders app, or through a calendar. And if a student who has issues with planning needs to remember to log into a separate app, that can be an issue. But if they do get in the habit of logging in here, this is a very clean look, very easy to follow. So that is MyStudyLife.com.